This is Homelink 4.5, Multiplication Fact Shortcuts. Your child is learning the basic multiplication facts. Listen to your child explain multiplication fact shortcuts as he or she works the problem. So review some. 1s, 2s, 5s, and 10s. Multiplication facts. Facts like 1 times 3 equals, or what equals 2 times 4, 5 times 5 equals, and 10 times 4 equals what? So, the directions are to tell someone at home about multiplication fact shortcuts. Lots of our students have already shared some of their shortcuts, and these are ones that we want to make sure they know. So this is the turnaround rule, where if we have 3 times 4 equals 12, this helps me know that 4 times 3 equals 12. 3 4 times is the exact same thing as 4 3 times, and both of them equal 12. So 2 times 5 equals 10, and 5 times 2 equals 10. This and this are the exact same number, equal the exact same number. It does not matter the order that it's in. Let's see, 5 times 3 equals 15, and so 15 also equals 3 times 5. 5 times 3, 3 times 5. Both of them equal 15. 10 times 2 equals 20, and so 2 times 10 also equals 20. They equal the same thing. The next rule. If 1 is multiplied by any number, the product is that number. The product is the answer to a multiplication problem. The same is true if any number is multiplied by 1. So basically, 1 multiplied by a number, or that number multiplied by 1, is going to equal the number. So 1 times 9 equals 9. That also means that 9 times 1 equals 9. It's the same. 1 times 90 equals 90. And 90 times 1 equals 90. 365 times 1 equals 365. And 1 times 365 equals 365. Doesn't matter what number you're multiplying by 1, it's going to equal that number. The next rule. If 0 is multiplied by any number, the product, or the answer to the multiplication problem, is 0. The same is true if any number is multiplied by 0. So 0 times 12 is 0. 12 times 0 is 0. So any number, any multiplication number with a 0 in it, always equals 0. 99 times 0, 0. And 0 times 99 equals 0. Now, 9,365 times 0, 0. And 0 times 9,365, also 0. We know this because any number multiplied by 0, or 0 multiplied by any number, always equals 0. Because it's 0, it's saying 0 groups of that number. Or there are that many groups with 0 in each group. So it has to equal 0. Now, think about counting by 2s, 5s, and 10s to solve these problems. If you already know these facts, feel free to just do the answers that you know. Eventually, we want the kids to be fluent. When they look at these facts, they just know the answers. So, but if we want to count by 2s, 5s, and 10s, we can say 10 2 times. That's 10, 20. So 10 times 2 is 20. Or we could count 2 10 times. So we could say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Same thing. 5 4 times. 5, 10, 15, 20. 5 times 4 is 20. That also means that 4 times 5 is 20. Let's see, 9 2 times. 9 times 2. So 9 2 times, well, I know 9 plus 9 is 18. Or if I want to do 2 9 times, I can say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. That's 2 9 times. And also, 9 times 2 is 18. That means 2 times 9 is 18. 2 7 times is going to be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. 14. And 14, 2 times 7 is the exact same thing as 7 times 2. 5 3 times is going to be 5, 10, 15. The other way I could do it would be 3 5 times. I could say 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. I can count by threes 5 times. So 5 times 3 is 15, and 3 times 5 is 15. Now 10 5 times is going to be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So 50, that's going to be the same thing as 5 10 times. I can do 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So 10 times 5 is 50, and 5 times 10 is 50. This is HomeLink 4.5 multiplication fact shortcuts.